Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLNNF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely nice monster move today as far as price action is concerned. However, when you look at the volume action, that was just as nice because by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So like I said, nice movement, a lot of eyeballs on it. Let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support would be what I'd call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if it can stay up above $2. Now, don't get me wrong. If it falls below $2, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be the biggest sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that, down there at about the $1.85 mark, give or take a couple pennies. So these are definitely the near term levels. Taking a step back and looking at more so the broad scope of things from a support perspective, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And from the grand scope of things perspective, if you just care about more so the big picture of it all, easiest way to look at this is as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line increases and moves higher and higher, then the overall trend is 100% in the bull's control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The party stopped today up there at the $2.27 mark, so right around $2.25, $2.27. That'll be a public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, really in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, yeah, that's important, but it also really doesn't matter. Why do I say that? Well, if the chart just keeps doing what it's been doing, well, what has it been doing? Well, as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, like I said, like it's been doing, you picture those as stair steps, then the overall chart is going to continue to take care of itself, and part of quote-unquote taking care of itself is breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher bases, and like I said, let the chart take care of and do the rest. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.